Welcome to MathQuence channel. Today we are going to see 24th question of part B of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. The 24th question is draw a line segment AB of length 9 centimeter. With A and B as centers, draw circles of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. First, we need to draw a line segment of 9 centimeter of length. Okay. Then with A as center, with A as center and draw circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the circle of 5 centimeter. So draw a circle of 5 centimeter. And with B as center, you draw a circle of 3 centimeter. So after drawing the circle, to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle, okay, that is from B, the center of 3 centimeter circle, draw tangents BC and BD. Okay, we need to draw. And with A as center, from A of radius 5 centimeter, we need to draw AC dash and AD dash tangent. So in order to do that, first we need to find out this midpoint. So how to find the midpoint? So in order to find the midpoint, we need to take or measure more than half of the length of 9 centimeter. Okay, so then draw an arc, okay, here and here, and from B you draw the arc. So this is we are doing, okay, more than half of the length of 9 centimeter. This is half of the length and more than the half of the length we are taking. Then we are getting here, we are getting 1 point. Okay, you keep this as P and you keep this as Q. You join PQ and this line meet AB at 1 point M. This is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay, so from M or M as center and length AM, for the length AM you draw a circle. Okay, you draw a circle. This circle meets the big circle at 2 points C and D. Okay, and the small circle of radius 3 centimeter has 2 points C dash and D dash. You join A and C dash, A and D dash. Okay, join A and C dash and A and D dash. In the same way, From B, you join C and D. So these are the required tangents, that is A, C dash, A, D dash, then B, C and BD are the tangents, required tangents. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. So in order to, once again I am telling, so in order to draw tangents, we need to find the midpoint of AB. Okay. In order to get the midpoint, you take the measure of more than half of the length of 4.5. Okay. Here measure more than half of the length, and then you draw arc on the top and bottom of AB, and then with B, from B you draw arc. This arc will intersect at one point P, and here Q, you join PQ, and this PQ meet AB at one point, that is the midpoint. From B you draw a circle of length AM. Okay. If you draw this circle, the circle intersect the big circle and small circle at 2 points. Okay. At 4 points. So you join A and C dash, you join A and D dash. Here you join BC and BD. Okay. So this is the required answer for this question.